Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine easy at home. First, gather your essential winemaking equipment. You'll need a primary fermenter, a glass carboy, an airlock, and a siphon. Proper sanitation is crucial, so clean everything meticulously to avoid unwanted bacteria. Next, decide on your ingredients. A good quality wine kit or about 10 to 15 pounds of fresh fruit like grapes will get you started on your winemaking journey. Now let's begin the primary fermentation. If using fruit, crush and destem it, then place it into your primary fermenter. Add water, sugar, and any necessary acid adjustments. Next, pitch your wine yeast and nutrients, stirring gently to combine. Keep the fermenter in a stable environment, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 5 to 7 days, allowing the yeast to work its magic. After primary fermentation, it's time to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the liquid from the primary fermenter into a clean, sanitized carboy, leaving all the sediment behind. This process is called racking. Attach an airlock to the carboy to create a sealed environment, protecting your wine from oxygen. Let it sit for secondary fermentation, which can take anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks, allowing the flavors to develop and clarify. Finally, we reach the bottling stage. You might want to stabilize and clarify your wine with fining agents, and then sweeten it to your preference. Thoroughly sanitize your wine bottles before siphoning the finished wine into them, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cork the bottles securely and store them horizontally in a cool, dark place. Your homemade wine will benefit from aging for at least 3 to 6 months before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.